Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create account on Netflix. First of all, you can download the Netflix app in your App Store or Play Store, and after downloading, you can open the app, and in the first page, you can see the option sign up, and after tap on sign up, you can just simply enter the email of yours account, and after entering the email you can just simply tap on next, and here you can just simply create a password, and after creating a password you can just simply choose the plan and enter the payment method, and it is the way you can create account on Netflix. And after creating the account on Netflix you can see the profiles of your Netflix account, and you can just simply tap on the profile and reach to the Netflix account. If and it is a way you can create account on Netflix. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.